Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we learn and solve exercise 5a questions 7 to 24 of chapter 5th chapter. Chapter name is fractions of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Please share more and more videos and subscribe my YouTube channel and I will make more videos according to your topics. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 5a questions 17 to 24 and topics are equivalent fractions, simplest form of fractions, proper, improper and mixed fractions, convert unlike fractions into like fraction, convert improper into mixed fraction, and convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 19. 19 is an astronaut who weighs 86 kg on Earth would weigh 14 divided by 3 kg on Moon. What is the astronaut's weight on Moon written as an improper fraction? Weight of an astronaut on Earth is given, that is 86 kg, and the weight of an astronaut on Moon is 14 divided by 3 kg. That is a mixed fraction. 14 divided by 3 is a mixed fraction, and we have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. We know improper fraction is denominator multiplied with whole plus numerator divided by denominator. We know improper fraction is denominator multiplied with whole plus numerator divided by denominator. So 14 divided by 3 will be multiply 3 denominator 3 with whole, that is 14, plus numerator, that is 1, divided by denominator 3. We get 14 multiplied with 3 is 42, 42 plus 1 is 43, 43 divided by 3. 43 divided by 3 kilo. So weight of an astronaut on Moon will be 43 divided by 3 kilo. So option D is the correct answer. So option D, 43 divided by 3 kg is the correct answer. 14 divided by 3 kg. Convert this in mixed fraction into improper fraction. We get 43 divided by 3 kg, and option D is the correct answer. Now we solve question number 20. Question number 20 is the length of femur. The longest bone in our human body is 101 divided by 2 cm. Write this fraction as a mixed number. We have given the improper fraction and we have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. And these options are given. Mixed fraction, we know mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. We have to first divide 101 divided by 2. We have to first divide 2 by 101. We get 50 as the quotient. 101 is 50 multiplied with 2 plus 1. 50 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder and 2 is the divisor. So 101 divided by 2 is equal to 51 divided by 2. And 51 divided by 2 is the mixed fraction. So length of the femur bone, the length of the longest bone, that is length of the longest bone is 51 divided by 2 centimeter. That is in mixed fraction. So option C is the correct answer. Converting improper fraction 102 divided by 2 into mixed fraction, we get 51 divided by 2. That is the option C is the correct answer. Now we solve question number 21, and question number 21 is what fraction of the Indian flag is white, orange, green and white and green. Indian flag is one each equal part of white, orange and green in color. One part white and one equal part of orange and one equal part of green in Indian flag. So fraction of each color will be 1 divided by 3. Total color is 3, so each fraction of each color will be 1 divided by 3. Fraction of white is 1 divided by 3, fraction of orange is 1 divided by 3 and fraction of green is 1 divided by 3. And fraction of white, first bit A, fraction of white is 1 divided by 3 and B, option B, fraction of orange is 1 divided by 3 and option C, third bit C, is fraction of green is 1 divided by 3 and fourth bit D, we have to find white and green, fraction of white and green both. So fraction of white and green is, fraction of white is 1 divided by 3 and fraction of green is 1 divided by 3. So add these two fractions, 1 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. We get 1 plus 1, add the numerator divided by denominator. So 1 plus 1 in numerator divided by denominator. Denominator is the like fraction. So just write down the denominator 3 and add the numerator 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 3. So we get fraction of white and green is 2 divided by 3. Now we solve question number 22. Question number 22 is you read 37 pages of a chapter in your book and have 13 pages left. What fraction of the chapter have you read? Number of pages you have read of a chapter in a book is 37. Number of pages you read is 37 pages of a book in a book. And number of pages left to read is 13. 13 pages left. So number of pages left you have to read is 13. Total number of pages is number of pages you read plus number of pages left. Number of pages you read is 37 and number of pages you left is 13. 37 plus 13 is 50. So now total number of pages is 37 plus 13, that is 50. And we have to find out the fraction of the chapter have you read. So fraction of the chapters you have read is number of pages you have read, you have read divided by total number of pages in the book. Number of pages you have read is 37 and total number of pages is 37 plus 13, that is 50. So fraction of the chapter you have read is number of pages you have read divided by total number of pages in the book, that is equal to 37 divided by 50. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank